I'd like to show you how to replace the needle plate. So I'm going to remove my foot first, and you're going to see two screws right here. This is where this little guy's going to come in handy. So what I need to do is twist this around, and it takes just a little finagling. Just loosen that up, and then you're going to be able to just kind of do the rest with your fingers, and you can pull that out. Or just let it loose and then we can pull it out later. I'm going to do the same thing over here. This is, again, why this little screwdriver is very helpful, because it's nice and short. And then I need to remove this plastic top, and now I can remove the needle plate. To place the needle plate back in, all I'm going to do is place that right in the back here so that it fits over the feed dogs, and then bring this back into its place. Being very careful as you bring these two together, and then definitely make sure those screws go nice and tight back into the needle plate.